Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel Victor Explains. In today's video is about how to fix error Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk has an MBR partition table. On 𝐓𝐈 system, Windows can only be installed to GPT disks when installing Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. If you found this video helpful, please like to encourage us and subscribe to our channel. Leave comment and share it with others so they can benefit too.